We have a bit of everything. We have people who have done yoga before but not on the boards. We have some paddlers who are used to paddling, standing on the board but haven't done yoga. And then there's some people who are completely new to both. And we found like absolutely everybody can enjoy their class because we start off really gently and then we gradually build it up and give some options to do a few more difficult things.
I absolutely loved this entire experience. It just shows you there's so much to do in Johannesburg. So yeah, it's a little jewel we discovered today. It was my first time. It was also my first time on a paddleboard. So that was something I've always wanted to do, and that's a great experience today.
This was my first time. It was really awesome. I actually expected to be in the water more than on the board, but it was actually not too bad. I managed to stay on the board. It was lots of fun. You really have to use your core because otherwise you'll fall in the water.